back, we'll be covering a very important part today.
Installing the main board.
Yes.
So in this lesson, we'll install main board and expansion board and connect the main chassis.
Make sure before you start the step that your kit look exactly like ours. And if you need time to pause the video and go back, and please feel free. And follow us step by step, and remember that take it at your own pace. And let's go.
Yeah!
High five. So first, install the two shorter copper hex standoffs M3x33 on the bottom side of the acrylic board frame with screws M3x8. And now, install the four long copper hex standoffs M3x35 with screws M3x8. Now, install the four nylon hex standoffs M2.5x12 plus 6 on the top side of the acrylic board frame and secure them with nylon nuts, and that is M2.5. Make sure you screw each and one of them tightly. Now, install the VIA VTS8654 mainboard onto the acrylic board frame with four nylon screws, M2.5x5. You're doing a wonderful job. Keep going. Secure the four nylon hex standoffs M2.5x12 plus 6 on the top side of the expansion board with four nylon screws, and that is M2.5x5. Just like that. And screw them tight. Now, connect the expansion board to the VIA VTS8654 mainboard through the onboard expansion board connectors. Make sure you get the sides correctly before pressing down. Great. In this following part, we're installing the assembled acrylic board frame. So now, identify the 6 mounting holes on the metal chassis. Install the assembled acrylic board frame and corresponding to the 6 mounting holes with 6 screws, M3x8. Screw them tight. Connect the steering motor cable connector with the D9 Grove connector on the expansion board. Make sure to route the cable through the hole on the acrylic board frame before connecting it to the expansion board. And connect the main motor's cable connector to the 12V motor power connector on the expansion board. Make sure the polarity is correct. And once you get them right, plug it in, route them onto the board. And that's it. You're done with the lesson. Well, great job everyone! We've managed to finish one of the most interesting and important section of our lesson. Because without our main board or the expansion board, we wouldn't have a driverless car.
Yes, so guys, after step 1, 2, 3, this is how our driverless car should look like. So now let's jump to the next lesson and assemble our cut camera module and attach it to our expansion board. See you next time!
Bye!